giant mothie. Is there anything you'd like to say to yourself? How about you document your life? Like on Avatar. Day 5. Singing a song. No touching. Don't touch Muffy. Just talk to Muffy. How about you count? 1. Get Kiki. Can you please go and wake your swimming coach up? Oh wow, good job. What's that? Is that your foot? Shoe. How many pretzels do you have in your mouth at once? Mommy's gonna have coffee now. Do you want coffee, Mel? Hey.
One degree. The pool's like 32 degrees. It's like so
you go from cold to hot and you come back out to cold. Oh my god.
Hi guys. We're on the way to Mussy swimming. And guess who's swimming with Mussy this morning? Because I don't swim, and she gets up so much, she goes, you know, I don't swim, right? And I was like, right. It's not that I don't swim, I just can't be bothered. Well, that was fun. We just took Mussy to swimming class and I was not happy with that. I was not happy with that swim class at all. Oh my god. Well.
Here we go, money.
Well. I just ripped someone 10, you assholes. No way. I am literally 1 second from pulling him from swim school. No way. You do not talk to a nearly 2-year-old like that.
Why? Whoa, what's wrong?
And I just said to the lady, I just said to the lady, I need you to know I'm not some like soccer mom, like stage mom who thinks their kid's perfect. I don't think that at all. If you tell me like, look, we're seeing this behaviour, we're seeing this, then I will listen. But the instructor does not talk to my, you know, almost 2-year-old like that. No way.
You don't want to go there again where they're going to look at you and go, well, it's the same thing.
I don't care. I am happy to pull him out of the swim school.
Let's put him out.
I said to her, listen, it's not his HSC where he's not concentrating. He's a 1.5 years younger than all the kids in that pool. 2 of those kids were just crying the whole lesson. Mussy kicking and paddling. What? Because he wanted to go for the star-shaped toy? Because he says star all the time. She yells at the 2-year-old. He's not in squads for the Olympics. Oh, ripped her a new one.
Who did you talk to?
The main lady. The main lady at the desk, and now the manager's calling this afternoon. You heard right. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Is that your alter ego speaking?
You're actually still in the same outfit as yesterday. I think the vlog's going to be like...
No, these are...
Oh, these are...
These are the black pants that you bleached. They were the blue pants that you bleached.
Moshe, are you eating your egg? He knows you're leaving, by the way. But
I just don't like going out there. I'm driving, I get to choose the route. Why are you laughing, you psycho?
I'm the driver. I choose the route.
Oh my god. I am the driver. I choose the route. James Bond never had to deal with this shit. How is Notting Hill not on Netflix? Please, God, tell me.
I don't know, George.
Is it about a boy on Netflix?
Yes.
Apparently, there's an app where you can find out the Netflix app what's on it. Mill has it.
Netflix what?
App.
What about it?
Well, then you can see all the movies that are on it.
You can see all the movies that are on thing anyway by going to Netflix.
Who wants to sit there going, A, B, you.
Or connect your phone to
Hey.
connect your phone and just type. I don't know.
Do you have any words of wisdom for the vlog?
Yes, I do. I just realised this. You can actually buy a Bluetooth keyboard that you can have sitting around and type whatever you want on search.
To the TV?
Yeah.
Ah, rather than going to... Oh, I spelled little baby bum wrong. And then you're concentrating vigorously on typing it, but it's already come up in the selection, the picture, and I'm there going, I get to the end, I've written this entire sentence and title, and it's like been sitting there the whole time.
This is true.
Do you miss Foxtel?
No, not at all. You know what's so frustrating about Foxtel?
Have you been charged for the box?
They charged me $142. When did we...
For the box?
The thing is about Foxtel, it's so nice to think I've got Foxtel, and then you go to Foxtel and there's nothing
on Foxtel. Totally.
And you're like, no. Like your downtime is searching for a channel that takes half an hour, and then you're like, okay, I'm tired now. Go.
Totally.
Okay. So how long do you think he'll stay in hospital for? Oh, okay, so they oh, okay, cool. So they've discharged you now. So you're waiting for Medina to pick you up. Okay, I just finished uploading. God, I've got to do something about this office. I need to look at renovating the office lobby here and just making it just nicer, like a nicer lobby. Because there's a couple of companies that have offices up there and they're girls, and their whole company is girls and women, I should say, and they love to go to the bathroom like down on the bottom level. There's a bathroom upstairs as well, but they like to use the bottom bathroom. And my husband said to me, why do girls like particular bathrooms? I was like, because they're pretty. I made those ones pretty. The ones upstairs aren't as pretty. He's like, well, make the ones upstairs pretty. I was like, okay, I will make them pretty. I wanted to show you guys this. I'm trying to change out my bag. Don't know what I'm going to change out to. This is usually organised, but this is my SLG. Hi Susan. This is my SLG cupboard. Not very good, is it? I bought from IKEA the Alexis drawer set. You know, the really famous drawer set on YouTube that most of the makeup gurus put their makeup in. So hubby has to still build it, the drawer set, the Alexa drawer set. I will link it below. It's really good for storage. And all of this has to go in it. And I guess that's why I get lazy when I have to change out SLGs, or if I want to change out SLGs. Because it's just not orderly, you know. If you have a proper closet layout, it's much more orderly to do that. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys that this is my SLG drawer. Interesting. Against my parental concern, Mel has decided a long time ago that she wants to sit for her motorcycle license.
Oh no.
She said, I said, fine, as long as you promise me you don't kill yourself. On a motorbike, she would like to show you her unboxing of her brand new helmet for her motorcycle that she hasn't purchased yet. Yeah. She's got the helmet though.
You first.
Oh really? Is that the same?
Well, that's for me. Anyway.
Tell everybody what it is.
It's a matte black Corsa AGV. I don't even know what it is.
AGV? Is that the brand?
Corsa matte black, yep.
Let's give it a nice all around shot. Wow, does this make you go faster?
No.
Nice. Yeah. It's a bit sticky on the front. Has that got scratches?
No, it's just handprints, so I just need to polish it. It's like a mirror.
Wow. Are you going to show me it on?
Yeah.
Was that what you were putting your hair in a bun for?
Yeah.
How do you get it on? Oh my god. Oh my god. What about your bun though?
There you go.
Oh my god, helmet head. You look like one of those like Ibiza DJs that have a helmet. Are you scared? Oh, you're gonna scare the baby. It's, oh no, he's scared. It's Mel. It's Mel, she's just inside a safety device. That's what I'm saying. So the helmet's 1,000, a bike's like, how much?
Depends what you buy, but the one I want's like $5
Or what? What do you eat? Eat your sandwich, please. It's a salad.
More.
I really need my tripod. Can you bring my tripod, please? By any chance? So we're saying goodbye to Mel on the vlog.
Bye.
Did you just lean her head in?
Yeah. I'm used to it every single day.
Can I do? Come back anytime.
That's it, I'll be back tomorrow.
Just, you know. Just run it by your boss first.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They're having a little passionate moment.
Snuggles. Okay, I'll give you back your lunch.
Okay, thank you for helping us.
No worries.
Say thank you for helping us. Good job.
It's been fun.
Thanks for staying with me. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
You're always welcome. You're an angel.
Aww.
Excuse me. Bye. See you this afternoon. Oh my god, he just put the fork in my hair. He just combed my hair like Ariel. Okay. Ready? Bye. On you. Yes, she's saying bye. Here. On you. Where are we going?
I'm saying bye. Are you waving bye? Waving. Wave bye. Wave bye, Mel. Bye, waving.
Let's go.
She's gone. Massey and I are just having some lunch.
Let's go.
She's gone. Also known as, he likes my salad bowl and he thinks he would eat it, which he won't. So I put his sandwich in my salad bowl and pick it up and feed it to him. He has not yet clued that it's actually just still his Vegemite sandwich inside my bowl. Clever mummy things. Are you looking at your pretty hair? Quiet.
Yeah.
Loud. Cool.
Stop.
Oh no.
I don't know.
Do you actually like mummy's salad or are you just pretending? Trying to be cute. Food. Yum, yum, yum. Like the horsey in your books? The horse. Can you count for everybody on the vlog? 1,
2,
good boy.
2,
3,
4,
good boy. 5,
6,
good boy. 7,
8,
yeah. 8,
9,
9, 10,
10,
yay! High five, you did it! Knuckles. Okay, hi guys. Say hi guys. We are just getting in the car with my father-in-law who is back from Dubai, and we are about to head out to my sister-in-law's house and see a few family members on my husband's side of the family. So I'm going to end the vlog here and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Say bye. Bye.